The unsaid truth, the first message, something happened today. Something very small, but it changed everything. Scene 1, early morning. It was a quiet morning. The room was silent. The window was open. Anna was sitting on her bed. She looked at her phone. Her hands were shaking. Anna, I feel nervous today. Repeat after me. I feel nervous today. She took a deep breath. She tried to stay calm. Anna, everything will be fine. Repeat after me. Everything will be fine. But her heart was beating fast, very fast. She checked the time. It was 7:10 a.m. Anna, I'm getting late. Repeat after me. I'm getting late. She stood up slowly. She went to the mirror. She looked at her face. She looked tired. Anna, why am I so scared? Repeat after me. Why am I so scared? She did not know the answer. Scene 2, a message. Her phone vibrated. A new message appeared. Unknown number. She started at the screen. She did not open it. Anna, who is this? Repeat after me. Who is this? She waited. 5 seconds passed. She opened the message. The message was short. I know your secret. Anna stopped breathing. Her eyes became wide. Anna, this is not possible. Repeat after me. This is not possible. Her hand started shaking again. She dropped the phone on the bed. She sat down slowly. Her mind was racing. Anna, no one knows. Repeat after me. No one knows. But the message was real. Scene 3, flashback last week. Last week, same room, same phone. Anna was smiling then. Anna was happy. She was reading an email. Anna, I got the job. Repeat after me. I got the job. Sarah, that is great news. Repeat after me. This is very great news. Anna, I'm so happy. Repeat after me. I'm so happy. She jumped with joy. She laughed. Anna, this is my first big chance. Repeat after me. This is my first big chance. She called her friend. Scene 4, phone call. Sarah, hello Anna. Anna, Sarah, I got the job. Sarah, that is a great news. Repeat after me. That is great news. Sarah, did you tell them everything? Anna, everything? Anna looked away. Anna, yes, of course. Repeat after me. Yes, of course. But that was not true. Scene 5, the small lie. Anna sat quietly. She remembered the interview. The interviewer smiled. Interviewer, do you have experience? Anna, yes, I do. That was the lie, a small one. Scene 6, back to present. Anna picked up her phone again. The message was still there. She typed a reply, then she deleted it. She typed again, she deleted it again. Anna, what should I do? Repeat after me. What should I do? Another message came. We will talk soon. Her chest felt tight. She stood up quickly. Anna, I need to go to work. Repeat after me. I need to go to work. She grabbed her bag. She checked the door. She stopped. Anna, what if they know? Repeat after me. What if they know? She closed her eyes. Scene 7, bus stop. The bus stop was crowded. People were talking. Anna stood quietly. She looked at everyone. Anna, are they watching me? Repeat after me. Are they watching me? Her phone vibrated again. This time it was a call, unknown number. She did not answer. The phone stopped ringing. The message came. Office today 4 p.m. Anna felt cold. Anna, they know where I work. Repeat after me. They know where I work. Her bus arrived. She stepped inside. The doors closed. Scene 8, inner voice. She was sitting near the window. The city was moving outside. Anna, I should tell the truth. Repeat after me. I should tell the truth. She shook her head. Anna, no, not now. Repeat after me. No, not now. Her phone screen turned black, but her fear was shining bright. And the bus pulled up outside her workplace. Anna got up. She gave her phone a final glance. One last message emerged. I'll speak if you don't, Anna. Stop. Anna, who are you? Tell me again, who are you? And here is Anna going to be honest. The messages are coming from who at 4 p.m. What will occur? Our episode 2 is on the way. Don't pass it up. The tale is not yet finished. The truth is on its way. Don't miss the next episode by subscribing now.